Hey, what's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. This is Proby King, and I just got myself a brand new phone. So let's go ahead and unbox it. Let's go. It's just so hard to open. Let's soften up the cardboard. Alright. Alright guys, so now that we unboxed the phone, I guess that's all we have for the video. Oh!
I think whoever just took it.
Oh, look at the scenery over here. Just put my phone, start recording. Nice.
I don't want 5 chicken nuggets. I want 12. That's it.
Oh gosh, my phone.
I gotta pull around and grab it. Oh gosh. Oh no. Gotta bury this before the cops get here. I'll be back.
Just on the beach looking for some stuff. What's this? Here, a beach. Oh, convenient shovel. Why is this not charging? Charge! Thank you guys so much for watching the video. If you guys did enjoy, then go ahead and leave a thumbs up. And, yeah. If you like these kinds of videos, then go ahead, leave a like if you want. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Goodbye.